name is Millie Larcher, and in this experiment I will be testing the viscosity of a cornstarch and water mixture as well as a flour and water mixture and seeing if they will react any differently. The goal of my experiment is to create a mixture that feels like a liquid when it is stirred or messed with slowly, but feels like a solid when it is tapped. The materials necessary for this experiment are some flour, some cornstarch, some water, 2 bowls, a 1/4 cup measuring thing, as well as something to stir with, and a towel for absorbing any spills that might accidentally happen. In order to keep your clothes safe from any stains, you would want to wear an apron to help with that. So, we are going to start by pouring a 1/4 cup of cornstarch into the bowl, and then adding a 1/4 cup of water into the bowl. And then we're going to stir it until it's really thick. You're going to stir it. And then, when all is said and done, you're going to end up with a thing like this. That is half solid, half liquid, mind-blown substance. Watch as I try to pick it up fast. I can't. There's nothing on my fingers. I can't. But when I try to pick it up slow, it's like a liquid. And then I can make it into a ball and hard because it's a hard solid. And then when I don't do anything, it turns into a liquid. Again, it's like so crazy. The cornstarch mixture reacts like this because it isn't a normal liquid that flows. It is a non-Newtonian, meaning that its viscosity depends on the force applied to the liquid or how fast the object is moving through the liquid mixture. Most liquids are Newtonian mixtures, meaning that their viscosity depends solely on temperature. Speaking of Newtonian mixtures, let's test the flour. Now, I am going to do the same thing, but I am going to use a 1/4 cup of flour and put it in the mixing bowl. I'm going to put a 1/4 cup of water into the mixing bowl. And then I am going to stir it all together until it is a thick substance, the way that the last one was. Okay, now, this time, when I added all the substances together and mixed them up, they turned into some sort of doughy paste. Not a liquid and a solid, mind-blowing mixture the way that the other one was. So when I hit it, I fall into it, not like the other one. When I try to make it into a ball, it most definitely does not work. Therefore, it is a Newtonian mixture, not a non-Newtonian mixture, the way that the cornstarch mixture was indeed. With this experiment, I found that the cornstarch mixture is a non-Newtonian mixture, and the flour one was not, because the flour never felt like a solid. Applying pressure to the cornstarch mixture increased the cornstarch mixture's viscosity or thickness. It felt hard when tapped because it forced all the cornstarch particles together, but moving slowly gives the cornstarch particles time to move out of the way. This cornstarch water mixture is called oobleck because of the Dr. Seuss poem. And it is not a liquid, but it is a non-Newtonian fluid. Ta-da!